Hello, Kyle Stringham here with PURTREK Trek Pole Water Filtration Systems. So this is meant as a maintenance video so that you can kind of understand the platform, or not kind of, but understand the platform and then get some of its main functions, how to deal with it in the backcountry if you were to ever run into an issue. So because having a Trek pole and a water filter is so cool, it presents some unique items that could happen. So the first one that I would like to show you is the lower stage filter. So the lower stage filtration plug can possibly happen. And if you insert this, this is designed to insert right into the riverbed, the cobble, you know, even if there was some clay down there, right? Say that you inserted it and you got some mud on the top. First thing to do, pull your pole out, swish this around in the water, get it as clean as possible. A lot of times that'll take care of the problem. If you go to pump your pole, or if you notice there's still this little window right here where your water enters is still plugged, then you're gonna go ahead and just take this and turn it a little bit and it'll unlock. Move that up the pole. Now you've exposed, I call this the first stage filter. And this just means that there is a foam filter located at the bottom of the pole that the water has to travel through in order to get inside the system. Now this foam is meant for large particles, but you can simply move that around. You can visually inspect it, make sure there's no dirt and particles in there, put it all back together, get back on the trail, or get back to filtering. If you do find that there is a plug in here, there's only one hole in the side of this tube, and this is just a little ring of actual foam. So you can take and spin it around and then put it back in the water and clean it, and you should be ready to go. You can move it up and over the top of this. I just try not to move it up and over the top as much as possible because foam does stretch. But this will last for years, cared for properly. If you ever need to replace, PURTREK.com, go to the parts section, you'll be set to go. Reassemble, you just bring this down and it'll click right back into position. And just kind of a pro tip, I like to have the tube that's on the side of the pole on the opposite side as the hole. That forces the water in and around the hole and will always keep your water clean. So it's really hard to get this system plugged up compared to other filtration systems. So have fun getting out hiking, enjoying the beauty of the outdoors. Thanks, we'll see you in this next video coming up. Have a good one.